Hi, I'm Shweta Jain from Diageo. It's absolutely fantastic for us to partner GQ in this initiative. As the pandemic began to impact several industries, categories and many markets across the world, we at Diageo realized early on that one of the most heavily impacted part of our business is going to be the hospitality and the bar community. Early on, we committed $100 million support in form of raising the bar to support and to stand together with the bar and hospitality community all over the world. In India, that translates to a 75 crore commitment spread over 2 years to bring bar and the hospitality community back on its feet. What exactly is Raising the Bar? Raising the Bar is a program to stand together with the bar and nightlife community as they prepare to operate in the new normal. Raising the Bar has various legs to it. We start with providing hygiene and sanitization equipment for the bars and hospitality world to reopen. We have a plethora of training programs and updates to get the bar community to operate in the new normal. There is also a full support in form of advertising, in form of communication and social media amplification to get consumers to come back to their favorite bars and nightlife destinations. As we continue to operate in these uncertain times, let's go around and hear from some of the luminaries of restaurant and bar world in India on how are they operating in this new normal.
This pandemic has affected the industry in a very harsh way would be an understatement actually. This has been very unprecedented and nobody had thought that this could happen, but gradually and slowly we're getting back to our feet. Customers are gaining their confidence back and things are looking brighter in the near future.
The impact on the bar industry has been huge. Major losses of jobs, I'm sure in millions. And then after 6 months of almost no business, the recovery process looks like a really long one. Purely because the future is uncertain at this point in time. The confidence of the guest is at its all-time low because nobody wants to take a risk, and we ourselves as drivers of this business are not sure in terms of how to bring in that confidence amongst the people, amongst the customers. So it's a tough one. Having said that, I think it is all about getting your act together, put your best foot forward and deliver the finest in terms of its service, and then see what the future holds for us. Most importantly, I think the idea is to stay afloat and survive these times. I think that's the key.
The pandemic has totally rocked the foundations that the F&B business is built on. Having these lockdowns and with social distancing norms and the spread of the virus being so contagious, people just want to sit at home. So we've seen the emergence of delivery kitchens, we've seen the emergence of gourmet packaged for takeaway, and the foundations have completely been rocked. Going forward, I think once COVID subsides, the industry is going to boom like it's never boomed before.
As you open your doors again with health, safety, sanitization and hygiene protocols in place, how does it feel to welcome back consumers?
It feels so great being back. It's invigorating actually. We're, for so many years being on the grind, being taking care of people and then, not being able to do what we're built to do for so long.
Absolutely.
It's been a little demoralizing, but it feels great being back. Of course, all the safety precautions are in place, the hygiene standards need to be adhered to, and actually it's great because when you follow all the protocols, it's a completely safe environment, and that's what we need to be advocating out there for everyone to see.
It definitely feels great to be open, to be back in action, although the action may be at a small percentage as compared to what it was before the pandemic, but yet, and also the fact that the regulars have come back. They keep coming back to the bars. Might not be in huge numbers, but whatever little number that we are getting back, it feels good to see them. It feels good to see the boys back in action. The team feels more positive, and of course, it only gives us a very strong hope that the future holds something good for all of us.
It's great to be back. It was really very difficult for the staff to be sitting at home, and they're happy that we are now welcoming back our guests.
Yeah.
We are keeping all the SOPs in mind concerned with COVID, and finally we are and slowly and steadily we are getting there. So hope this continues and we get back to our old times.
Diageo has committed to stand together with the hospitality, restaurant and bar community in form of Raising the Bar program. What is your view on this initiative?
It's really heartwarming to see the way Diageo has come forward with Raise the Bar campaign, the things it's doing for our restaurants so that we kind of get a little bit of help in getting back on our feet, the things it's doing, planning to do for our staff. It's really great to see this initiative, and we must thank Diageo for it.
I'm so happy and thankful to Diageo for Raising the Bar program. It's excellent to see, big companies taking the time to help everyone in the industry. We all have to get past this together, and all the sanitizer kits, it really goes a long way in helping us defray our expenses for hygiene. Apart from that, all the additional support that Diageo will be picking and choosing a few different establishments to get. Things like this will help the industry get back on its feet.
Yeah.
And I'm just very thankful to Diageo for starting this program.
Thank you, GQ, for having all of us here. This is Shweta signing off for now. Enjoy the rest of the show. Diageo will continue to give you more reasons to cheer and celebrate as we all collectively hope for a better 2021.